Press the subscribe button for more videos.
School backpack, and your child has never shined any brighter. Unlike other bags, Pix Mini is not only carrying stuff, but also reveals the kid's imagination. Simply connect it to your phone, create your own unique drawing, and display it right on your backpack. Other than just drawing, use the share button and spread your creativity with your friends. Choose from a variety of puzzle games that enhance your child's logical thinking and cognitive abilities. Beat every game and play right on your backpack. Personalize your backpack as much as you want by drawing on your own or choosing from a number of your favorite cartoon characters. The Pix Mini lets your child display what they want and makes each walk to school different. Also, it supports your child's back posture. It's lightweight, flexible, and water repellent. Our backpack will also keep your child safer as the illumination makes him clearly visible on the road. Kids is our future, and with your help, we believe we will make our future brighter. Support our campaign and help us make the kids happier.
We love music, and we don't want anything to get in the way of how it sounds. But placing speakers on a surface leads to sound quality loss. Not anymore. Welcome to the future of wireless sound. Introducing Mars, the levitating portable Bluetooth speaker with high-fidelity sound, subwoofer, and 8 hours of battery life. Mars is equipped with an ultra-thin 1.75-inch high-frequency horn. By using a world-renowned audio compression solution, it retains the full integrity of original digital audio and is optimized for real-time zero-loss audio streaming. 360-degree hi-fi sound projection means there's no back of the speaker, and everyone gets the best spot in the room. The ultra-durable levitating speaker is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, waterproof up to 3 feet deep, and is also magnetic. In the office, Mars doubles as a speakerphone with its built-in high-sensitivity microphone. And the portable subwoofer has 2 USB ports for charging your phone during long conference calls. Mars can also adjust its volume based on your proximity to the device and can be controlled with your phone. We believe that our technology will forever change the way you listen to music.
I'm Alan Zhao, an industrial designer and music lover. Design and music are part of my everyday life, but I'm really disappointed with the audio products in the market. Products either fail to integrate cool design with good sound quality, or the prices are too high, out of reach by most people. So I decided to build it myself. With the help of my talent team, including experienced acoustic engineers, designers, and geeks. From structure design to ultra-thin elements that apply to the speaker, we do everything to achieve zero loss of sound quality. We have created Mars to surprise the market with something really interesting and innovative. We're proud to offer you Mars to you and honor that you will be able to enjoy Mars as we all have.
When I first heard the Mars, I was blown away. I'm excited to work on such an amazing product.
360-degree sound is a perfect fit for today's modern lifestyle product.
The sound was incredible. I was super impressed with how high quality it was, and I can't wait to get my own speaker.
I love Mars. 8 hours of battery life? My brother could listen to that all day long.
I was really stunned by its appearance when I first saw it. The way that it levitates is so cool, and the sound is amazing.
I definitely think Mars is the future.
Elevate your sound. With your support, we can bring Mars to life. Go to crazybaby.com to learn more. Thank you.
Mars, elevate your audio.
Here's my Neptune Hub. It can make calls, send and receive messages, browse through news feeds, track fitness stats, and much more, all directly on my wrist, all on its own. Here's a pocket screen. Much like a mouse, a keyboard, or a monitor, this pocket screen is simply an interface for my hub. It's not very smart. It doesn't need to be. If I need a bigger screen, I can grab a tab screen. Or I can plug it into this keyboard if I want to be more productive. I can even use this dongle to turn any existing TV into another screen for my wrist. Now that I'm always using the same computing hub, I can start an application on one screen and seamlessly continue it on another. If I lose a screen, no worries. It has none of my personal stuff. And because these screens are inexpensive and can be everywhere, all I ever need to carry is my hub.